Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time with me today. This is going to be on a Coachmen Catalina, and I believe it is the Legacy Edition. It's a 2020 that just came in, and it is a 263 RLS, and it's a great rear lounge, big slide out, nice walk-through bathroom, big area there to change, and if you need to. Let me go ahead and start on the inside and we'll finish on the outside. So the big deal about an rear lounge is it obviously has nice big windows. It has the extra seating, which is also real nice as well. Now these have upgraded kind of recliners, and I know that's a big plus with a lot of the consumers out there. You do have your nice big windows there. You've got windows all throughout the slide out, nice big tall window in the booth dinette area. Storage underneath there if you need to, and it's a tri-folding bed on that sofa, so you can sleep two adults this way as opposed to a little jackknife sofa, so it's real nice to have that. You do have the recessed sink. You have a nice faucet. I like the way that works. Pretty handy. It's kind of a bit of a trick to get it back on there with one hand right now. I think it's easier to hold that. Okay, so you do have your overhead storage. Now the cabinets and everything they did this year in a little bit lighter, so they still have the nice mortise and tenon cabinet joints, but they did a lighter cabinetry color all the way throughout. You have storage overhead in the back area, storage above the couch. You do also have your storage above the fridge up here, and you have your glass top on that. Makes it real nice for if you do need to actually use it as counter space, you can. The booth, of course, makes into a bed. Your entertainment center here does have the DVD player built into it, and a lot of those newer features like Bluetooth and stuff like that makes it real nice. So you have a little bit of storage above there as well. When you go through, it's got a split walk-through bath. The shower there is nice and large, and you got a little more space in here if you need to. And I like the fact that they build this in here with all that shelves there behind the toilet, which makes it nice as well too. And the medicine cabinet, sink there, storage down below. You have a pocket door here that gives privacy to that master. Storage above at the head of the bed and also on both sides. Then you have a little storage on each side for the persons to put their phone or their clock or whatever they need that way. You have the doorway that goes out of the master, and you also have your main entrance door. So two ways to get in. In the event you do need to get to the bathroom, you can do that if your slide out's in, and I know it's important to a lot of folks as well too. It does have nice high ceilings, LED lights throughout. Windows that open up here, that's a lot of ventilation with that side window, and also it's an emergency escape if you ever need to get out that way as well too. Counters have no seams on them. I like that real well. The sturdy step is real nice, that solid step they call it. That also makes it real nice for getting in and out. You're going to have your power awning. You're going to have some speakers. Again, the two doors. I like the little stainless steel they put on the fender corner on that. They also use some aluminum wheels I like real well too for looks, make them look smarter. You do have your spare tire power supply there. Also has a nice heavy duty rack and pinion slide system, makes it real nice for maintenance down the road. Does have the outside shower and that black tank flush as well. And then the storage that you can see to get in there, it separates it from the master bedroom itself as well too. So if you lift that master bedroom up in there, you'll be able to have some storage for some sheets and blankets in there too. Room for 2 batteries, and also the larger tanks on this Legacy Edition for propane, 7 gallons, and you also have the power tongue jack that's lighted as well too. Again, I like the shape, the way they do, the way they build this product. It is a wood frame coach, heavy steel chassis. It's got great axles under it. It's got a fantastic name. Coachmen's been around for about 53 years, so just a bit longer than Guarantee. And so great company, people building the products. You know, the more you have out there working with it for longer years, you get better consistency on your product, I believe too. If you have any questions about this product or anything else that we carry here at Guarantee, you'll see a number at the end of the video. Give me a call. It's Tom Peterson. I'd love to help you out. And I've been here for, again, about 29 years almost. And again, remember at Guarantee here in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.